Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add nofollow links in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see, here's a link inside of my post and I'm going to inspect this. So here you can see here's nofollow attribute inside of this link. Now let's see how to add nofollow links. So go to your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins, add new, and search here external links. And this is the plugin. Install now and activate. And after activating, here you can see a new option has been added, external links. So click on it and then click on external links, and here you can see the option set follow or no follow. Click here and select no follow and then click on save changes. Okay, now if I reload my website and now I'm going to inspect this, and here we can see relation no per no follow external. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.